Hello, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another DB2 SQL function, which is month. In our previous session, we discussed about the day function. It somehow works similar as a day function, but in terms of month, which means last time we were using the day function in order to fetch the day from the timestamp or date, right? In the same manner, you can use month function in order to fetch month from the date or timestamp. So this is the overall similarity between day function and month function. Although they are working completely different, but somehow we can understand like yes, if you want to fetch the day, you can use day function. If you want to fetch the month, you can use month function. Now we'll see how we can use this same function inside SQLRPGLE program. So for that, I will show you one example. Here what we are doing, first of all, we are declaring one constant, which is SQL state underscore valid. And this constant we are going to use to verify whether the query is executed properly or not. Now below to this, what we are using, we are declaring one variable named as result, which is a zone decimal value. And here we will store the output, which we are fetching from the table. Okay. Now below to this, we are setting the commitment control as star none, and then we are using the main query. So in the main query, what we are doing, we are selecting the month from the current timestamp. So this is the function again. So from current timestamp, it will fetch the month, and that month will get stored into this host variable result. And this data is coming from sys ibm.system1. Okay, so it will fetch the month from the current timestamp and store it into the result host variable, which is coming from sys ibm.system1. Now below to this, what we are doing, we are verifying the query. So we are checking if SQL state equals to SQL state underscore valid, then display result, else display the SQL state along with an error message, query ended with an error, and then doing the endif and inlar equals to star on. So let's quickly go and compile the program and call the program. So you can see it is returning 9. Why? Because current date is 5th of September 2023. That's why it is showing 9, which is representing the month. Okay, so this is how we can utilize this month function for fetching the month from the current timestamp. Here we are using for current timestamp, but you can also use it for the date function. Date. I will show you like how we can use this over the DB2 SQL query. So if I run it here, you can see select month from current date. This time I'm using current date, not the timestamp, right? From Sharmit1/table1. So if I hit enter, you can see it is showing 9. For which column? Let me add that column for you. So let me as month. So this should print as month, and other than this, I am printing one more column, which is for current underscore date. We need to shift this to the next line so that it will come as expected. Current date. Okay, so you can see from this current date it fetches the month, which is 9, representing the September. Okay, so yeah, this is how we can utilize month function either on SQLRPGLE program or on DB2 SQL query in order to fetch the month from the date. In the same manner, you can also use it for the timestamp. So I will show you quickly one example for that. So just replacing the day with month, and if I hit enter, you can see this time it is fetching the month from the timestamp. These values are null because we haven't updated anything here. That's why it is showing like this. Otherwise, if there is any value, it will fetch the month for it as it is doing for the above 3. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this session. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Sharmit.